All right, what we've been waiting so long for. Towpig's new heart sits in this old school U-Haul. Let's figure out what it is.
There's the engine. Oh, look, it already has a thing on it.
Sweet.
Like this, I couldn't tell you what this went to.
We're running out of room. Well, it's down there now. Here she is. If you couldn't tell from the previous couple clips, this is Towpig's new heart, and it is a big block Chevy 454. I got this pretty cool little thing that just popped up, so I'll give you guys a little update on that. Sweet. All right. So I'm waiting for the Towpig some parts to come in. Basically waiting on the bell housing right now, and some cam bearings. That's right, because I'm gonna take this 454 up to Canada, because there's a machine shop. It's actually closer. The machine shop in Canada is closer to me than the next closest one in America. So that's kind of funny. But anyways, like I said earlier, I saw a deal. Well, I think it's a deal on a car that is I'm pulling behind me right now. Let's get home, and yeah, I'll show you what I picked up after this. Alright, here it is. 1988 Fox body. The real cool thing about this car, I'm going to make this quick. She was hit on the side, so I got it cheap. Cool thing about this 88 is California had mass airflow, and basically it just makes it way easier to work on and do engine swaps and stuff. So this is going to be my donor car for the next project, and yeah. It's old POS grandma car. Hey, I hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. If you did, leave me a like. If you think of any improvements, anything I should cut out, like stop doing, let me know so I can, make better videos. But anyways, I plan on doing some more stuff with this car in the future. I kind of want to leave it as a drift missile for now before they pull that engine and trans, but we'll see what happens. And so basically right now we're going to wait for the car parts to get back from, wait for the engine to get cleaned and ready to go. So I plan on doing a little bit with the truck between now and then so I can hopefully keep some videos up and keep you guys entertained. Awesome. Catch you next time.